Hey guys, Shari Shine here. Welcome back for another video. Today I will be showing you how to achieve this defined, juicy 3-strand twist out using products from none other than The Main Choice. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just washed my hair using the ancient Egyptian shampoo. Now I'm going to separate it into 4 workable sections and clip them away with the crocodile clips from The Main Choice. I'll be using the ancient Egyptian mask to give my hair a little TLC. All of the ancient Egyptian products used in this video can now be found at a Target store near you. Y'all, I'm just spreading this throughout my hair, ensuring that all of my strands are coated, and then I'm going to cover it with the plastic cap for about 45 minutes and then rinse it out. To achieve today's style, I'll be using the LCO method for optimal moisturization of my type 4 hair. That means I'm applying a leave-in, then my cream, and sealing that in with an oil. And here I'm using the ancient Egyptian oil to seal in all of those products. Now, to begin my 3-strand twist, I'm actually going to start off with a braid. Yes, I'm going to braid the root to help reduce the puffiness and then proceed to the 3-strand twist. Now, the best way I can describe doing this is to maintain the placement of your hands as if you were going to continue with the braid. Take the hair from the farthest side and overlap it over the other 2 remaining pieces of hair. Then continue by shifting your hands over and placing them again as if you're going to continue braiding. Lastly, I'm going in with the split end treatment serum to further protect and prevent my hair from splitting. This product works best when it's applied to freshly washed hair. Now for the takedown, I have coated my hands with the ancient Egyptian oil, and look at these twists. They are juicy, they are defined, and look at that bounce back. Yes! Now as I'm taking my hair down, you'll notice that I'm separating right after I take down the twist. I cannot stand to do it afterwards. I miss sections. I don't get the fluff that I want. This is just a more efficient way for me to get my hair the way I like for it to look. Alright y'all, let's style this hair. I'm thinking just a cute little half up, half down pony, situation. And there it goes. How many times have we had that happen? But yes guys, this look is so simple. Top pony, fluff it out, and boom, there you go. Here are the final results of today's wash and style. I am typically a volume girl, but with this definition, honey, I will be rocking this hairstyle, shrinkage and all. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another upload. Again, thank you so much for watching. I am Shari Shine, and until next time, peace and blessings.
Something that society says doesn't look good on you can look good on you. And that's why Shampoo has grown